Okay, imagine waking up to the breathtaking panoramic views from the stunning glass-walled tiny house, completely immersed in nature. Built on an elevated platform, this modern escape offers a perfect blend of comfort and serenity. And with lush greenery all around, a cozy wooden deck, and even a hammock to relax in, this off-grid homes is a true paradise. And whether you are looking for peace, adventure, or simply a break from the ordinary, this is the dream getaway you have been researching for. Okay, imagine waking up to a breathtaking view of a lush greenery forest with warm sunlight streaming through massive floor-to-ceiling windows. Now add a sleek modern square ceiling, a cozy loft bed, and a functional yet stylish kitchen. This is the perfect blend of simplicity and elegance, and I can't wait to take a deep dive into this amazing space. And okay, the first thing. Uh, this interior is so clean and minimal, and the entire room is a simple square, which gives it a really nice structural feel. Nothing feels out of place, and the layout is just perfectly balanced. And we can talk about this square ceiling for a second. And I love how it creates that this crisp modern look, making the space feel more open and inviting. And it's clean, sharp, and fits the aesthetic perfectly. And wow, just look at that view. These raised massive windows stretch from the floor all the way down to the lower threshold, giving you uninterrupted sightlines to a lush hillside forest outside. And imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing a cup of coffee, and just soaking in the warm golden sunlight streaming through this window. It really makes you feel one with nature, like you were outside while being inside. And now, let's check out the kitchen. Even though this is a tiny home, the kitchen is super functional and well thought out. It's compact but has everything you need. Tons of storage, a sleek countertop, and appliances that fit seamlessly into the design. I what what I really love is how the kitchen is positioned right next to the huge windows, so you can cook while enjoying the beautiful scenery. And imagine making a breakfast with that forest view. Talk about a dreamy experience. And now let's move into the loft bed. And this one is my favorite feature in tiny homes. It makes such great use of space while adding a cozy elevated sleeping area, and staircase leading to the loft bed is designed with both style and functionality in mind. Some of tiny homes have ladders, which can be tricky, but this one has proper stairs, making it so much easier to climb up and down. And just look at the way the bed is positioned. It's tucked away just enough to feel private and cozy, and yet still open to the rest of the home. Plus, you wake up to that stunning hillside view. Seriously, what more could you ask for? All right, moving up to the lounge area. Now, even though the space is compact, they've managed to include a small table and chairs, making it a perfect spot to relax, read, or even get some work done. The simplicity of this setup is what really makes it shine. It doesn't feel overcrowded, and it blends perfectly with the rest of the home. Clean and modern design. Plus, with those large window, natural light fills the entire space, making it feel so open and airy. And all right, let's wrap things up. I have to say this tiny home is absolutely stunning, and the simple square layout gives it a sense of order and balance, while the massive floor-to-ceiling windows bring in those warm forest vibes and making the entire space feel peaceful and inviting. And the kitchen is compact yet functional. The loft bed is cozy and accessible, and the lounge area is just the right amount of minimalist charm. But my favorite part, definitely the view. That lush, warm hillside landscape just elevate the entire experience. An incredible modern tiny home bathroom that feels like a luxury spa tucked away in the middle of nature. And this space is not just an ordinary bathroom. It's designed with huge windows giving you an uninterrupted view of a lush, warm, warm hillside forest while you relax in a luxury bathtub. This sleek modern design with a square ceiling and high-end fixture makes it feel spacious, airy, and ultra stylish. And I can and all right, let's take a look at this Georgia's modern bathroom. And the first thing that stands out is square ceiling. It gives the space a clean, structured look and making everything feel organized and balanced. It's simple yet effective, adding to a that modern minimalist vibe. And can we talk about the window placement? The large raised window stretch from the floor to the lower threshold, opening up the entire room to the warm, lush hillside forest outside. Imagine stepping into the bathroom and being surrounded by nature while still having complete privacy. It's like an outdoor spa experience, but in the comfort of your own home. And now this is a luxury bathtub. It's definitely the star of the bathroom. And just picture yourself soaking in here, warm water, soft lighting, maybe even a cup of tea or a glass of wine, and all while looking out at the beautiful forest view. And the tub itself is sleek and modern, blending perfectly with the rest of space, and it's deep, spacious, and designed for ultimate relaxation. And what I really love is how it's positioned right next to the large window, and so you can fully enjoy the view while unwinding after a long day. And I mean, seriously, who would not want to take a bath in this setting? Okay, so next, moving on the let's check out the toilet area. Now, tiny home bathroom are often a bit cramped, but this one, it feels open and comfortable, and thanks to the smart layout and bright natural lighting from the window, and plus, we have got an exhaust fan here, which is essential for keeping the air fresh and preventing any moisture build-up, and it's small detail, but in a tiny home, ventilation is everything, and this setup is ensure that the bathroom stays dry, clean, and odor free at all times. And now let's talk about the sink and mirror setup. And this is such a beautiful combination. The sink is minimalist yet stylish, giving you just the right amount of space for washing up. And the mirror, it reflects even more natural light, making the bathroom feel twice as big. And what's really cool is how they have incorporated natural elements into the design. There is a subtle wood accent that ties in perfectly with the surrounding forest scenery, and it creates a really calm, organic atmosphere, making the entire bedroom feel like an extension of nature. And wow, I have to say, this bathroom is absolutely stunning. And the square ceiling gives it that clean, modern look, while the massive windows bring in the warm, lush hillside forest vibes, making the whole space feel like a peaceful retreat. And this luxury bathtub is definitely the highlight here. It is positioned perfectly to give you the best spa-like experience with a view. And let's not forget the smart layout, the stylish sink and mirror, and the well-placed house fan. Every detail is designed to make that this tiny bathroom feel both functional and luxurious. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. And this does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the useful ideas and useful inspiration about the tiny home, especially about the tiny home interior and layout design. Thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying this video until the end, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. And just wait for my next video in the next content. Bye bye.